Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Haggett Hill. It's a rainy, foggy January day here, but it's pretty warm. It's about 55 degrees. I'm going to wait till the fog burns off just a little bit and get a couple rain clouds out of the way. Then I'm going to try to go catch a few crappie. But before I do, I want to show you real quick how to load some information into my GPS fish finders. The Missouri Department of Conservation publishes GPS coordinates of brush piles and fish attractors that they put in each lake. There's several different lakes in the state of Missouri that they have these for. You can actually look them up on their website. Go down, find your local lake. You can download it. It is a zip file, and it's a GPX file. Most of the modern electronics use the GPX file, whether it be Lowrance or Hummingbird or Garmin, either one. I happen to have Lowrance. So what I'm going to do, I've already got them downloaded off the website. I've got them pulled off the zip file. I've got them saved to an SD card. I'm going to show you how to load them into my Lowrance GPS system. All right, so here we are. I have my Lowrance turned on. It is an older unit. It's a TI2. You pull up this little flap under the Lowrance logo. In here's where you insert the micro SD card. All right, so I've got the micro SD card in there. Go to my menus. Go down here to storage, memory card. I have Clearwater Lake and Wapapella Lake, both of them my home lakes, so they're saved on the memory card. So we're going to just click on Clearwater. We're going to hit import. Yes, I want to import them. Okay, import complete. Do Wapapella Lake. Import. Okay, I have both of my units networked together on my front and rear unit, so it should have, when I put them in this one, it should populate on the unit up front. So let's just take a look here real quick. We'll go to my home lake. So they're all downloaded, and you see these bigger dots on here. These are spots that I have marked in the past. As we start to zoom in, you'll see all these other things come open or come up. That's the fish shelters that they have put in. And they've got them named, like there's Wapapella 33, Wapapella 31. So that's all the fish shelters that the Department of Conservation has put in on the lake. Depending on what your home lake is in Missouri, you should have several spots. The Department of Conservation publishes GPS coordinates. The Missouri Department of So there's a quick and easy tutorial on how to load these waypoints into your Lowrance GPS. I'm sure Hummingbird, Garmin, probably about the same. I know on the Lowrance units, they prefer an 8 gigabyte micro SD card. You get anything much bigger than that, it sometimes causes issues. But check that out. Might help you out in your fishing. And it looks like the rain stopped, so we're going to try to head to the lake here in just a few minutes. I appreciate you stopping by and checking this out on Haggett Hill. As always, God bless to you and your family.